As our short film fits into the concept of social realism, we decided to go for a dull colour scheme of blues, greys and blacks in order to present how the film is hard-hitting, followed by an event which will have a negative impact on the characters. The colour scheme shown within our ancillary product mirrors the emotion on the main characters, Luke, as they are unsaturated and dark, which reflects how he feels after the accident with his brother. It was important for our group to portray how the film is dramatic and that it represents the stages of grief and sadness, and so for our poster we decided to use a picture that we took of the two younger brothers looking out into the sea. The older brother Luke is positioned slightly to the left above Alfie, which is a visual representative of the character's status as the older protective brother. Both brothers look out into the shoreline, which we feel was effective as it portrays to the audience that they are looking into something which is blank and empty, much like the following events after Alfie's death. Both characters are wearing black, which stands out boldly against the dull background and shows how the brothers share similar traits. It also presents death, which foreshadows to the audience that something sorrowful and heartrending will happen in the film. We felt that it was important to portray the storyline of the film through our film poster by not only the position of the brothers and the colour scheme, but also by using editing skills in order to show the brother who dies in the sky. We used Photoshop and various editing techniques such as adjusting the saturation and brightening the image in order to make the brother appear angelic and ghostly. The image of the brother is also looking down on the two younger versions of the brothers, which represent how he is looking into the past before the accident. This is effective as the audience get a slight idea of what the film could be about. However, it doesn't give too much away, which was crucial as marketing is supposed to draw the audience in and make them want to see the film rather than just tell them exactly what happens within the short film. For the title of the film, we decided to stick to the same font as our ancillary products in order to tie them together as a package. The font we decided on is black, bold and eroded. We felt this was suitable for our ancillary products as it matches the theme of the short film. The use of synergy was vital to our media products as it was important they looked like they were part of a package. Therefore, we took the stills from the film and included them in our film review. This linked the products together, and the use of images from the film also gave our target audience an idea of what the film is about. For example, our film review includes images which show key points in the film, which ties to the media products together. We feel as though our products will be easily identifiable to our audience as our brand identity is clear within our marketing and media products. This is due to the fact that we have been consistent with our branding and our layout for our products. This is reflected through the font and the colour scheme as well as our construction and representation of the characters. The central theme is grief and nostalgia, which is shown through the dull colours and gritty font, which is also a common theme within social realism products. We feel as though our media products are successful because of this and are happy with our media products as they meet our expectations and conventions desired as we continuously followed our original ideas and only made slight changes. Overall, we are satisfied within the result of our media products as they portray the concept of social realism, and we feel as though they are effective as a whole for our audience to enjoy.